if the tax returns are proper evidence to deny bail to an immigrant in a detention center, and what your thoughts are about this.
Okay, so well, first I'll say is that the standard for an immigration judge that an immigration judge is looking at when determining whether to grant someone bail in the immigration court is whether they're going to be a flight risk, meaning are they going to come back to court? So if the judge grants their bail and they post bail, will they come back to their court hearings? The other thing that the judge is supposed to be looking at, are they a risk or a danger to the community? If this person is released back into the community, would they be a danger to anyone? Do they have a criminal history that could give the judge an idea of their likeliness of committing future crimes? So it's very rare, it's kind of unprecedented to see the judge base his decision solely on tax returns. Typically, tax returns actually help someone because they show that you actually do have good moral character and that you, despite being undocumented, you are here paying your taxes. So for me, it's usually something that we use, and I understand why the attorney in this case likely used it, is because it usually shows, it goes to show good moral character and that you are paying taxes despite not having legal authorization to work.
And Coronilla's eldest daughter is going to turn 21 in about 2 years. How would this help his legal status? Would she be able to get legal status for him here in the United States?
Well, I can't speak to the specifics of his case just because I'm not his attorney and I don't know all the details of his case. But in general, typically, someone who has a child that is 21 years or older that is a U.S. citizen, that child can typically petition their parent, and they can obtain permanent residency based on that petition. But I can't talk to the particulars of his case just because I don't know all the details.
Awesome. And Coronilla's wife is the main one in the family that can sustain them right now. So is there any way that she could work due to her legal status or?
If she's undocumented and she has no pending relief, she hasn't filed anything with the immigration courts or with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, unfortunately, she would not have an application to allow her. There's no application just for someone to obtain work authorization. She would have to have something else pending before immigration to be able to qualify for work authorization.